Hi, in this audio, I'll be giving you a quick explanation about the lead generation campaign, okay, that you will be learning out of my training. Okay, so basically, what I'll be doing is I'll be providing you training and coaching, okay, for 1 month. Coaching will exist for 1 month basically, and it will show you basically how you can go about generating leads for your business on social media channels like Facebook, Instagram. Okay. Basically, I've created a system named Com5 Method that has helped me to generate tens of thousands of leads in 50 different markets. Okay. So we have tested the system in 50 different markets. And this system works using paid advertising, okay, on social media channels like Facebook and Instagram. Okay. So this is paid advertising. Okay. This is not free organic strategy, marketing strategy. Now, to prove to you that what I'm saying is true, that we have actually used this in 50 different markets, you can just go to my website at com5method.com/proof. Okay, the link is included in the description, okay, that I'm putting below this audio. And just click there and you'll see that I have shown you campaign case study videos in 50 different markets, approximately 30 different markets on that page. You'll see video case studies, you'll see testimonials, campaign screenshots, and everything that you need to believe that basically we know how to generate leads. Okay, on that page itself, you'll see a campaign in Forex market where we have generated 13,000 leads in India. Okay, using this exact same strategy. Okay, and you'll see a video proof where actually I'm logging into my Facebook account and showing you all these campaigns. Okay, right within my Facebook account. So this is a video proof. This is not just screenshots that others show you. Okay, so I'm logging into my Facebook account and showing you how much we have spent on ads, how many leads we have generated, what is the cost per lead, and all these details. Okay, so you can go to that page. That is basically a black and white proof that we know basically what I'm talking about. Okay. The next thing is that okay, let me give you a quick overview of how the campaign is structured. Basically, how the campaign is built. Okay, that is generating leads. So the process is quite simple. Okay, what happens is that you go into your Facebook account. Okay, and we show you how to go into the ads manager of the Facebook account. There you can basically create an audience. Okay, audience is the profile that you want to target. A certain profile of audiences. Okay, who should be seeing your ads. For example, let's say, okay, you are a physiotherapy doctor, for example, and you want to target basically runners. Okay, so you can do that on Facebook, Instagram. Okay, let's say you are, you are looking to target kids, so you can do that using Facebook, Instagram. So on Facebook, Instagram, basically what happens is that you can target people based on interest. Okay, what I mean by interest is that let's say if you're running a weight loss campaign, so you can target people who are interested in weight loss, bodybuilding, yoga, etc. You can target people based on age and gender as well. Okay. So what I mean by age is that whatever age you can give Facebook, you can tell Facebook I want to attract people between 30 to 50 years old. That is possible. Gender, like you can attract male or female and both the genders as well. Okay, on Facebook, Instagram. Then you can attract based on location. Okay, you can even do local location. Like for example, you are situated, let's say in Kandivali West, and you want only people to see your ads like in 5 kilometer radius from your office. Okay, that is also possible. Okay, or you want to show the ads to the entire city, country, entire world. Everything is possible. Okay, so all these targeting features are there. Okay, so like I'll be showing you how to use these targeting features basically to attract the audience. Okay, then I'll be also showing you in the training as to how you can write your ads in a simple way. Okay, which has all the marketing elements so that it attracts the right audience. Okay, this is included in the training. Okay, so basically, then what happens is that once you create the audience, you can show your ad to that right audience. It could be an image ad, it could be a video ad. Okay, and then people see your ad. Okay, which is basically a paid ad, and then they click on a button right below. Okay, if they are interested, and Facebook shows them a short form to fill where they can put in your name, email, mobile number. Okay, and once they submit it, you can download this leads from your Facebook account. Okay, in Excel file, and then you can basically call the lead and follow up with them and convert them into client on the call. So this is basically the very simple structure of how the campaign is built. Okay, so basically, as a part of this training that you will get in with me, okay, you get a video training access. basically where I show you how to create paid advertising campaigns on Facebook and Instagram. Okay, and how to select the right audience, how to write the ad, and how to target them on Facebook, Instagram. Okay, and generate leads, and how to download the Excel file, call the leads, means all these things I'll be showing you in the training. And second, along with the video training, you get 1 month group coaching access. Okay, so what this means is that every week on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I go live on Zoom. Okay, for a group coaching call where basically my clients come on the call and they ask me any questions they have. Okay, so if you are stuck anywhere or you have any questions, you can hop on the Zoom coaching call on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You can ask me the questions. So you get 1 month access to the group coaching calls. Okay, so that is approximately 12 Zoom coaching call access you are getting. Okay, that is 3 per week. Okay, so total is 12 Zoom coaching calls access you have for 1 month. So you have enough support. If you have any questions building the campaign, you can just come and ask me the questions. Okay, so now the fees is basically, if you are in India, the cost of this training plus 1 month coaching is 9,997 plus 18% GST. Okay, if you are an international client outside India, it is $147. Okay, and this is a one-time payment. Okay, and basically once you learn this skill, okay, you don't have to pay any fees to any digital marketing agency, because now you can build the campaigns yourself. Okay, so you don't have to hire anyone. Basically, if let's say if you charge if you hire my agency to do this campaign for you, we charge $1,000. That's around 70,000 per month. Okay, or to do this. Okay, so but if you learn it yourself, you are saving this money that you would rather have to pay a digital marketing agency. Okay, so you'll save that money. And last but not the least, okay, this is here's a free bonus that I'll be giving you. Okay, if you act basically instantly, if you act today, okay, on this offer. Okay, so I'll be basically removing this offer very soon. What I'm doing is I am basically in the process of creating a YouTube lead generation campaign training as well. Okay, which will be a separate product which I'll be selling for maybe 20,000-25,000 rupees. Okay, so if you decide to act today, I'll give you this YouTube paid ad training absolutely free of cost. Okay, as a free bonus. Okay, but as I said, this training is under construction, so you can expect between 2 to 3 months. Okay, for this training to get access to this training. So once this product is created, training product is created, I'll be giving you this access for free. Okay, so I'll be showing you a layman's way on how you can run YouTube paid ads, okay, and generate leads for your business. So I'll show you how to do that, okay, as well in the training. So this is a free bonus for you. So this itself is a bonus worth 20,000 rupees in itself that you are getting. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know. Also, I'll be posting a brief description about this training below this post. Okay, so you can go through it. If you have any questions, just WhatsApp me at 961-943-0662, and I and my team will be answering your questions. Okay, thank you and all the best. Looking forward to working with you.